Working up the guts to be simple, to read simple books, dress simply, have simple days, and say simple things, can take a very long time. For a very long time, complexity seemed to have all the benefits and charm. We are drawn to unusual and challenging ideas. We prepare intricate meals for our friends. We pursue complicated romantic relationships. Our careers ensnare us in onerous obligations, and we occupy our free time with unusual pastimes. Then, at some point, we might sense and strive for the true challenge of life, to dare to sound to some like an idiot, to fix on certain fundamental truths we've always known, to pare down our calendars, to dress comfortably, to serve others the same simple foods we enjoy alone, to limit our relationships to those who know how to be direct, to leave our days more or less free aside from one or two elementary pleasures, to limit ourselves. If we presented ourselves without explanation or lived according to our own less ostentatious tendencies, we would worry excessively about sounding dull or ridiculous. We spend the majority of our lives attempting to be someone else, often without success. The possibility of dying may eventually cause us to let go of our pretensions. Under its bracing impact, we come to see that there is no use in encumbering ourselves with customs, ideologies, vocabulary, relationships, or obligations that are not our own. There is no sense in wasting time we can't afford on people who can't say, "I love you," without becoming defensive, with clothes we can't keep clean, with books we can't understand, and with crammed days full of anxiety and pointless tasks. We eventually get over our fear of coming across as a yokel and a simpleton. By the time we learn to appreciate the art of being direct, easy to follow, emotionally straightforward, predictable, unhurried, and, in the eyes of the frantic and impressionable many, exceptionally dull, we will be sufficiently mature and properly sophisticated.